Hey, good morning, children. Today we'll start our session with the preposition. Okay. So first of all, we'll go through the definition. The definition we have here. What the preposition are the word that comes before a noun and pronoun and establish the positional relationship between the other words in the sentence. Basically जो है noun और pronoun के जो है आगे use किया जाता है prepositions word का, और जो इसका बेसिकली काम होता है रिलेशनशिप शो करना, जो कि अदर पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, मतलब अदर जो दूसरा बाकी वर्ड्स हैं उनके साथ जो रिलेशनशिप शो करने के लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं, प्रीपोजिशन वर्ड्स का. ओके. So we have example here. We have example here. You can see the example. The example says what the ball went across the boundary. So here the word across is acting as a preposition in it. So इसमें जो आपका word across है, that is acting as a what preposition. इसमें जो है preposition के रूप में ये काम कर रहा है. So क्यों? Because it shows the relationship between the ball and the boundary that it went across it. Okay. Now look at the second example we have. She stood against him in the election. So ये क्या sentence है इसमें? Against is what? Against is acting as a what? Preposition, because it is used to show relationship between the her and him in the election. Okay. So now hope meaning is clear to you. Now we'll move on to the types of the preposition. Basically there are the type of sentence on which the preposition is characterized are preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of manner. So these all are what? These all are used to show the different types of preposition. Okay. Now so look at the first of all we'll go through the preposition of time. So basically जो आपका जो preposition of time है वो हमें क्या बताता है? Preposition of time हमें बताता है कि कोई काम जो है किस वक्त जो है हुआ. ठीक है. It is used to show what time. Okay. So now at, जैसे कि बात करते हैं at. Look at the first we have preposition at. तो in preposition at is used in for a specific time. जो है जो आपका preposition at है वो आपका किसी specific जो है time को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. Okay. So what's this about? At जो है at का प्रयोग जो है basically he lives at बहादुरगढ़. So this is what time. Sorry. At जो है basically you can say he goes to bed at 9:30 p.m. जो है वो कितने बजे जाता है? 9:30 p.m. पे सोने जाता है. Then at is also used to indicate what? Day and dates. On is used to indicates day and dates. जो आपका on है उसका इस्तेमाल जो है it is used as a preposition of time and which is used to show what? Day and dates. आपका day and dates के लिए जो है किसका यूज़ किया जाता है? On का. So look at the example we have here. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October. So 2nd October is what? On is here. On is shown used to show the day and dates of a particular time. Okay. Then in for non-specific time during a day, a month, a year or a season. जो है in जो है यूज़ किया जाता है non-specific time को दर्शाने के लिए. ठीक है. तो look at the example here we have here. Look, I reached the office in time. And apart from that, we have another example. She was married in 2005 in the month of December. Okay. My friend lives in Frankfurt in Germany. Okay. So these are what? These all are the example of in that are used as a preposition of time. Okay. In time. And then what happened for preposition? Now we'll learn the use of for. For basically आपका जो है use किया जाता है. For is used to show what? Duration of time. Okay. So we have example here. It has been raining for 2 hours. जो कभी भी जो है हम जो है इसका यूज़ किया करते हैं ऐसे टाइम को दर्शाने के लिए जो पहले से जो निश्चित पहले से जो है होता आ रहा है. It has been raining for 2 hours. Okay. Then now we'll learn the use of since. Since is used to show with a specific date or time. Since जो है आपका specific date और time के लिए use किया जाता है. जैसे she left his village in 2007 and had not been heard of since, और तब से उसके बारे में नहीं सुना गया. She hadn't returned from abroad since her marriage. वो जो है मैरिज के बाद से वो जो है रिटर्न नहीं आए. ओके, नाउ we'll learn the use of the different types of preposition of places. Okay, at, on and in are used as a preposition of place for. So let's start, let's come up with the use of at. Okay, at basically आपका जो use किया जाता है किस लिए? It is used to show for a specific address. It is at जो है आपका किसी specific address को show करने के लिए जो है किया जाता है. So जैसे कि he lives at Bahadurgarh. It is what? It is used to show a specific address. Okay. Now we'll learn the use of on. On is used to indicate number or streets or avenue. Sometimes on जो है आपका use किया जाता है किसी भी जगह के पूरे उसको दर्शाने के लिए. ठीक है. और जो है किसी भी चीज़ if it is on in rest position there we also use on. Okay, so on जो है on, look at the example we have. The computer is on the table. The computer कहाँ पे है? That is in rest, in peace. So that is in peace. Okay, so that's why that is in rest. So that's why we have used on here. And apart from that, in is also used. Sometimes in is also used as a preposition of place to show what? To show the name of land areas like town, states, continent and all. Okay. सो इनका भी जो है आपका जो है यूज़ किया जाता है वो किसी भी एरिया, लैंड और कंट्री. सो वी हैव एग्जांपल हियर. माय फ्रेंड लिव्स इन फ्रैंकफर्ट इन जर्मनी. मेरा फ्रेंड जो है फ्रैंकफर्ट जर्मनी में रहता है. नाउ विल लर्न द यूज़ ऑफ different types of use of preposition of manners. Okay, so in with, first of all we'll learn we'll go with in with. Okay, so in with is what? In with is used to express manner or condition in which something done to be done. जो है in with का यूज़ किया जाता है किस लिए? कोई भी चीज़ जो है किसी पर्टिकुलर उसमें की जाए तो that is called within या in with जो है यूज़ किया जाता है. जैसे कि आपका है I shall finish the work within a week. Okay, now by is used as a means of transportation. by जो है इसका यूज़ किया जाता है as a means of transportation. और बेसिकली ये आपका जो है लिविंग थिंग के साथ यूज़ किया जाता है. ही वॉज बीटन बाय हिज टीचर. तो उसे जो है किसके द्वारा पीटा गया? टीचर के द्वारा. द ताजमहल वॉज बिल्ट बाय शाहजहाँ. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज विद नॉन लिविंग थिंग लाइक ही वॉज बीटन विद द केन. ही किल्ड द स्नेक विद द स्टिक. with his use. Okay, तो with का आपका यूज़ किया जाता है किसके लिए? नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए. और by जो है इसका यूज़ किया जाता है लिविंग थिंग के लिए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट by जो है इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू what? Check the balance. Okay, so by we hire a taxi by the hour. Okay, we pay wages by the day. So these all are what? These all are what? Preposition of manner. Now we'll learn the use of with. with जो है जैसा कि मैंने बताया दैट इज़ यूज फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग. नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है with का. एंड देन फॉर टू एक्सप्रेस सपोर्ट फॉर अ प्लान और अ पर्सन. कभी भी हमें सपोर्ट और करना होता है तो देयर वी यूज़ फॉर का जो है हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड देन अगेंस्ट, किसी भी चीज़ के विरुद्ध जो है इस्तेमाल किया जाता है तो देयर वी यूज़ व्हाट? अगेंस्ट. तो फॉर का पहले यूज़ करते हैं. For is used to show duration of time. Okay, and make this sure जो आपका जो है for example we have here it has been raining for 2 hours. Okay, hope it's clear. Now we'll move on to the different tenses. Common use of against. You can see here against is used to indicate what? Opposition or disagreement. कभी भी जो opposition और disagreement show करना होता है तो उसको वहाँ against का use किया जाता है. Not to the advantage or favor of somebody. किसी का जो है favor और advantage करने के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है. Close और इन कॉन्टेक्ट विथ, किसी भी चीज़ के कॉन्टेक्ट में खड़े हैं या किसी चीज़ से अड़ के खड़े हैं, तो देयर वी यूज़ अगेंस्ट. ओके, सो लुक एट द एग्जांपल वी हैव. द शिप वाज सेलिंग अगेंस्ट द विंड, के विरुद्ध चल रहा है, अपोजिशन हियर वी शोज. द एज इज अगेंस्ट हिम, उसकी उम्र जो है डिसएडवांटेजेस शो कर रहा है. ओके, द टेबल वाज पुश्ड अगेंस्ट द वॉल, कॉन्टैक्ट में मतलब जो है वॉल के कॉन्टैक्ट में उसे लाया गया. ओके, नाउ विल यूज लर्न द यूज ऑफ फॉर. फॉर इज यूज टू इंडिकेट द यूज और द पर्पस ऑफ समथिंग, किस लिए किसी चीज़ को यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड मीन्स बिकॉज ऑफ, जिसका मतलब होता है because of. So look at the example we have beautiful example here. I'm sorry for your loss. Because of किस लिए आपने माफ़ी मांगी, क्योंकि उसके घाटे के लिए. I have got a pair of sunglasses for you. Purpose, here it shows purpose. Okay, now we'll learn the use of by. By is used to indicate at the side or next to. It's sitting by me. Okay, so a method of something like travel, communication, payment. Okay, who is doing a job in a passive voice. Passive voice में भी use होता है इसका. Apart from that, for expressing time. So we have an example. We have different example here. I have sent the detail by email. किससे? By email से भेजा गया. Okay. So we have different example. You can go through the example. Now we'll learn the use of under. Under is used to indicate a position that is below something. किसी चीज़ के अगर नीचे है तो there we use under. Okay. So the man was sleeping under the tree. Okay. Less than, younger than. There we also use under. It's look us under an hour to reach here. It look us under an hour. करीब करीब जहाँ पे भी use होता है वहाँ भी there we also use under. Okay. Now we'll learn the use of in. In is used to indicate a specific time during a day, month, or season, as I told you earlier. It is also used to show location or a place, a shape or color, a belief, opinion, or interest. Okay. So Jill came to India in 1974. Diana is sitting in the car. The student stood in a circle. I believe in doing good deeds. Okay. So these are about the first sentence shows what time, specific time. The second sentence shows the location in. Okay. The third sentence shows the shape. And the third one shows belief. Okay. So now we'll learn the use of at. At जो है आपका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, that is used for a specific point or place, किसी specific point or place को show करने के लिए, to describe an event, an activity, an exact address, जो है exact address के लिए भी use किया जाता है. So the ball is lying at the bottom of the stair. She lives at 10 Road, New Road. I met couple at the book fair. These all are what? These all are use of at. Hope it's clear. Now we'll move on to the next one. About. About is used to indicate the movement or the position in various direction or places. Okay. So look at the example we have. I'm really worried about cake in connection with. It is used to here. The preposition about is used to show connection. I'm really worried about Kate. Okay. Now a rough estimate or the subject, to show subject about is also used. The book is about politics. Okay. Now we'll learn the use of with preposition. With is used to indicate the company having, carrying or using something, to say what fills, covers, etc. A position or against, concerning, so and so. Okay. We have example here. You can go through the example. I'll cut the fruit with the knife using something. A position. I have a tennis match with my old friend. These all are what used as what different uses of with. Now we'll learn the use of on. On is used to show surface of something or part of our body, a specific day, a device or a machine like computer, or the seat of something. Now we'll learn the use. Don't stand on the wall, surface. I will to the church on Sunday. I'll go to the church Sunday. Okay, specific day. My work is saved on the computer. I have a bandage on my knees. Okay. The building is on fire. Okay. Now we'll move further. We'll learn the use of to. To is used to indicate the place, person, or that something or something moves towards the direction. It is a direction. It is a preposition of direction. Okay, it shows the direction. a limit or ending, relationship or time period. So like I need to answer to my question. It shows relationship between answer and the question. Okay, the playtime is from 3 to 5. Time period, this word shows time period. And the price of the tomato rose up to 80 kg. Limited, it shows limitness. Okay, so turn on to the page 365. So hope you have understood the preposition well. Thank you, children.